clean the boat out. This does have the 200 4.5. Welcome to MarineMax Rogers Minnesota. I'm Jason Chapman, and today we're taking a look at a brand new 2023 Sea Ray SPX 190. Beautiful boat here. We have the white upper and the complete onyx black hull bottom here. And this boat does come with this painted trailer with a dual axle, dual disc brake setup here. Nice big bimini top here that does open up for sunshade, and then spot to fill up your gas. Stainless steel cleats, rub rails, and components all throughout this boat. And then as we walk here to the stern of the boat, we have the submersible swim staff that's manual. That drives up right now, but when it's down, you can deploy that into the water. So that's one way of getting inside the boat. And the other way is on this 4-step stainless steel telescoping ladder. This is powered by a MarineMax 200 horsepower stern drive. Let's hop up inside and check out some of the features. Welcome inside this SPX 190. As we take a look at the stern, plenty of space there on the swim platform. We have the glued down sea deck that is brown and really ties into the upholstery. Dune upholstery here with the upgraded upholstery, and then also the snap-in infinity woven vinyl flooring, which is easy to take in and out when you want to clean the boat out. This does have the 200 4.5 liter MarineMax with plenty of storage on the other side. And then as you walk into the boat, we have a one of my favorite spots here with the insulated cooler, and then another spot here to store dock lines, fenders, shoes, things like that. Stainless steel components on the boat here at the bimini top that does open up for plenty of sun protection. Stainless steel grab handles and cup holders. And as we walk into the boat, we have the 2 bucket seats with the captain and co-captain here, and then the flip up bolster. Taking a look at the helm, Fusion audio here, tilt steering wheel, and then your standard taxi gauges up here too. More storage on this boat. We have a built-in ski locker here, and then more storage underneath this compartment, as well as a recessed glove box. And this boat does come with a complete valve fill cushion, so you can make this into a full sun pad here. Lots of space up here to enjoy the water here in Minnesota. And then we do have a cushion that you can take out so you can step up to the bow and back without stepping on all your upholstery. And then also on the SPX, we do have a spot here for an anchor. This boat is available and located here at our store in Rogers. Feel free to give us a call, make an appointment, walk right on in. We'd love to show you around. Thanks.